Welcome. The following Unity Bubble Affirmations, the first in this series, will assist you with using your thoughts and words optimally so you may receive the profound benefits of your Unity Bubble by doing so. Feel free to repeat after each sentence fragment of each affirmation, either aloud or inwardly. Let's prepare the body now to enter into the state of contemplation or meditation. As you take a comfortable seated position, gently close your eyes. Allow the spine to elongate from its base up to the top of your head, and follow the breath as you breathe in and out, and in and out. Feel the body loosen and relax, layer by layer, as you allow it to melt into the seat beneath you. As you continue to follow the breath in and out, and as you allow it to release more and more and more into the seat beneath you, double or even triple the level of relaxation in your body. With every in-breath and out-breath, know that your intention to contemplate the following affirmations helps keep your vibration high and your thoughts aligned with your divine purpose. And so we begin. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I am the light. And with my every perfectly balanced and sacred in-breath and out-breath, I offer that light to myself and emanate it to all those around me and the world. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I am the love. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I offer that love to myself and emanate it to all those around me and the world. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I am the truth. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I offer that truth to myself and emanate it to all those around me and the world. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I accept my unique unity bubble, gifted to me with my most heartfelt thanks and love. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I allow my unity bubble to function on all levels of my being as the transformational intelligence it was created to be. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. I endeavor to consciously release any negative or limiting beliefs, patterns, or beings present in my energetic field for my highest and greatest good, and therefore for the greatest good of all. I am the light. I am the love. I am the truth. I am. And with every in-breath and out-breath, I am that. I am. Continue to ride the breath in and out of your body. Remember to always be aware of your words and your thoughts, which are just as powerful as your words, if not more so. Speak in the affirmative and in the present tense, as the universe hears only the positive. Avoid saying, I don't like, as the universe hears, I like, and as a result, what you don't like is sent to you. Avoid saying, I want. It will keep you in a perpetual state of wanting and therefore not receiving in the present now. Know that your positive intentions and affirmations have been heard by the universe and will manifest accordingly. Let's prepare now to return to the room. With a deep sense of gratitude, Bring your attention back to your body. Feel it energize as it becomes filled with the light of your awareness. When you open your eyes, you will return feeling refreshed and invigorated, more aligned with your higher purpose and your higher self, and more positive than ever. And now, gently open your eyes. Welcome to our new Unity Consciousness Earth and the limitless possibilities it holds. Adonai.